as a Russian tank was reloading its ammunition out on a field ammunition depot. It was struck by a FPV drone immobilizing it, causing the tank to be stuck out in the open next to larger amounts of ammunition, leading the crew to abandon the tank. As a second drone came in, this time striking the ammunition, a larger fireball was created with a powerful shockwave traveling out on the field. While the tank is well protected, the shockwave and heat that close to the tank destroys most components inside, turning the tank into scrap metal, destroying more of Russian ammunition and a tank, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.